Hey guys, it's Elise and I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with a new video featuring Julia hair. If you guys check the info section below, I will have all the information, details, and links provided there, as well as a discount code. So if you're interested in saving an additional $20 off of your purchases, use discount code YTB20 to be able to save some extra cash. Now, once again, the wig that I have does come from Julia hair, and now that the weather is beginning to heat up just a bit, well, at least out here in Arizona, I couldn't wait to get my hands on another short unit, so I decided to pick up their 16-inch curly wave textured high definition lace wig. Now, once again, this wig is 16 inches long. It has a high definition lace and it's in that curly wavy texture, 180% density. Now, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on to let you guys see exactly how the wig was received prior to me doing any customizations. Now, this wig does require a little bit of work, so I will be tweezing the hairline as well as bleaching the knots off of camera. However, if you are a beginner, this wig is ready to wear, ready to go. You just need to shampoo, condition, redefine the curls, and you are ready to go. But of course, I like to kind of take it a step further and customize my units to work best for myself. If that's not your thing, you do not have to do it. Keep that in mind. Once again, I did bleach the knots off camera, and now I'm going to tweeze up my hairline. Now, as usual, I'm going to spray a little extra water, brush the hairline back, exposing exactly what I need to take out, what I need to keep, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull out the baby hairs just to keep those intact, but I will be thinning those out later on in the video. And now I'm just tweezing behind the hairline, and I like to kind of do somewhat like brush like strokes. I don't really know how to explain it. The tweezing method that I'm using is to sort of imitate like if I were to brush the hair with a brush, if that makes any sense, just to sort of thin it out just a bit, make it look less boxy and more realistic. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to both sides, and then you guys are going to see me thin out the baby hairs. And then after that, I'm going to redefine the curls and get this wig styled up. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I am done. So this is a few days later and the hair is completely dry. You guys did see the product that I used on the hair in order to style it up. It didn't cause the hair to become crunchy or stiff or anything like that. However, if your wig does become crunchy or develops that cast, just run your fingertips through the hair, not aggressively because you don't want to cause any unnecessary frizzing, but just lightly enough in order to break off that cast, and then you'll be good to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. You guys see exactly how nicely and easily this wig just sort of comes together. And for that, this is the reason why I highly suggest you guys to get used to customizing your wigs. Now, I do understand that it requires a little extra work that a lot of you guys aren't ready to commit to. However, once you've mastered the technique, you're probably never going to go back to wearing your wigs how they come ever again. You're going to feel like adding your own personal touch is a requirement in order for the wig to work naturally for you. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. However, it's always nice to get a wig that's ready to go. But yeah, so now I'm going to take my Melt Me Down spray and I'm spraying along the front perimeter of the hairline just to temporarily adhere the wig down, making it easy to remove the wig at the end of the night, because I can't really commit myself to wearing the wig for more than a day or two, just because I just really need my hair to breathe up underneath the wig. So yeah, this is definitely a great idea for someone who is like myself, who can't really commit to wearing the wig for more than a day. So yeah, now I'm just brushing down the baby hairs. I've been into the whole soft, natural baby hair look, kind of phased out of the whole swoopity swoops. So yeah, I don't really know. What do you guys think? So yeah, now I'm just picking out the roots on this wig just to add a little volume, and now I'm just finishing it off with this finishing spray just to add a little bit of shine. And you guys get into this wig, look at the hairline, it looks super realistic. You do have that 13 by 4 inch parting space, giving you a very realistic looking part. And the hair is super soft, has that nice natural sheen to it. Definitely a unit that I will be wearing during the spring and summer months. But yeah, you guys do check out Julia Hair. I will have all the information and details provided below, as well as a discount code. So once again, if you guys are interested in saving $20 off of your purchase, use discount code YTV20 to save some cash. But yeah, you guys get into this wig. I am absolutely in love with it. So cute. You guys check out Julia Hair. Once again, the information will be listed below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.